This is Sterios.
Hello, yeah, Sterios. Steve στα αγγλικά.
This is the team where I've been playing volleyball for the last 6 years. This is actually going to be my 7th year with the team. Basically spent most of my 30s in the same club and it's been a hell of a ride. Back when I joined the team we had nothing. We were in the 2nd division and we didn't even have a volleyball court to call home. We had to train in a small crappy gym far away from here. I remember we were playing our home games in a different volleyball court every single time. But we had something, we had vision, and we decided to put together a squad to get promoted to the 1st division. Even that wasn't easy. COVID started, so this pushed back the plans for a couple of years. But as soon as things resumed, we made it. We got promoted to the 1st division, and not only that, we did it without losing a single set throughout the whole season. So last season was our first season in the 1st division, and our goal was to avoid the playouts and establish ourselves in the division. We started off well, but then we had a couple of injuries and some players were up for an extended time period, and we seriously took a hit. I don't know what got to us, but we couldn't win any game anymore. We actually lost 7 games in a row. It was a disaster. So clearly radical measures had to be taken. Half of the squad got changed mid-season and we also changed 3 coaches in the same season. But we managed to turn things around. We qualified for the cup finals and the championship playoffs where we came 5th, and this gave us a ticket to next season's European Challenge Cup, which is a historical moment for the club. No other team has achieved that in the past. We are the very first volleyball team to qualify for a European Cup. Right now we've put together a very experienced staff team and we got highly skilled players. As you've seen, we are renovating the volleyball court, and once it's completed it's going to be one of the best in the country, if not the best. I'm really looking forward to this season. This year the goal is to dominate. We want to win all the titles in the country and have a great journey in Europe. With this Week in the Life series, I'm taking you along this journey, showing you everything that is happening behind the scenes. So if you want to see what it takes to dominate on and off the court, tag along. So today is Sunday, the 3rd of August. It's a rest day, so I don't need to go to the gym. I finished my gym sessions yesterday. I did 3 sessions this week. I'm going to take this opportunity to recover from this training week and do some work. I've made a decision to grow my social media presence across all 3 platforms, so YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So far I had been posting only on YouTube and I had been documenting my travel adventures, but this is now changing as I want to create a personal brand. You already know about my YouTube account since you are watching this video. If you're not following me on Instagram and on TikTok, go ahead and do that. It's gonna help me massively. Let me show you my other accounts. So this is my Instagram account. And this is my TikTok account. I had been posting vertical content on all 3 platforms consistently for the last month on a daily basis. And in the first 3 weeks, I was stuck at the 200 views level. But in the 4th week, something changed. Looking at the analytics, the views have been going up, and I was wondering why this has happened. Is it the content that I have been posting in week 4, or is it just the fact that I have been posting consistently every single day and the platforms recognize the work that I put in? Or maybe it's just a combination of the 2, I don't know. Time will show. Let's make some breakfast. I've got 3 options on my nutrition plan. I've got oats, a pancake and rice cakes. I think I'm gonna go for the oats. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of raisins and some organic Ceylon cinnamon. At the moment I consume 2500 calories on a daily basis, but on Monday my nutritionist is going to send me the new plan and he's probably going to reduce these calories a bit in order for me to lose the 2.5 kilograms of body fat that I gained over the summer. On August 19th we are starting the pre-season training and I want to be at an optimal body weight level and also have an optimal muscle mass to fat ratio. It's Monday, the 4th of August. I just received my new nutrition plan. We dropped the calories a little bit as I have about 2 weeks to drop 2.5 kilograms of body weight. For breakfast this morning I had 1 slice of whole wheat toast, 1 slice of low-fat cheese, 60 grams of hummus, 15 grams of walnuts and 1 fruit. This week is split, some work, some rest, some solo gym days and 1 last escape before the grind hits again. Okay, gym session done. I had to do 7 exercises overall, 5 sets of 6 reps. Solo sessions hit different. I quite like it sometimes. It helps me focus. Okay, just finished a call with my social media guy. He's been helping me out with my vertical content for the last month or so. Trying to take social media seriously. It's another muscle I've got to train. In the first 3 weeks of working together, I didn't really see a difference in the views or the subscribers on all 3 platforms. But then in week 4, something changed. The views have started going up in all platforms. So this was just a check-in call to review of this. So this would be a great time for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Long drive ahead. We are heading to Halkidiki in the north of Greece. It's gonna take us about 5 hours and 45 minutes, but this place is worth it. It's the last little reset before the grind hits again. Just go to the hotel. Sunny beach in Halkidiki. Let's do a quick room tour. I got the 2-bedroom beachfront suite. Minibar, living room with a TV, master bedroom, master bathroom. Where are the lights? Here. There you go. Bathtub, shower, and that's the second bedroom and the second bathroom. Shower. Let me show you the beach and the swimming pool. It was raining this morning and it's quite windy, but tomorrow the weather is going to be great, all sunny. And some welcome drinks and fruits. Let's see what's inside the minibar. Okay, pretty basic. What's in here? This must be Nespresso capsules and then espresso machine. Good morning, it's the 7th of August. The weather got a lot better yesterday, so I went to the marina for a walk, had a quick coffee, did a bit of shopping, and then went to the beach to watch this beautiful sunset. You know, sometimes doing less is doing enough. I have learned to appreciate stillness. Meanwhile, right before coming here, I received my DJI Osmo 360. So let's go ahead and unbox it together. Picked up the new DJI Osmo 360 to experiment more with third-person view shots. I'm curious to see what I can do with it in the next few weeks. Last weekend before we flip the switch, no more drift, time to lock in again.